And here we are, leader in our production UTV Evolution Turbos. Joris Hitt, Treehouse Racing, racing for ALS. And it must have been a sign from a power above when that team came to me at the drivers' meeting and said, "Hey, Sean, I don't know if you know who we are." And I said, "I kind of know who I know your faces. I know, I don't know every single person at NORRA personally, but I'm trying to. A little more difficult this year, being we're in the position that I am. But in years past, I'm at the starts and the finish. I try to meet everybody." And he said, "So yeah, this is who we are. We're Treehouse Racing." I'm like, "Yeah, I know Treehouse Racing. Sure, I'm familiar." They said, "We're racing for ALS." And I said, "Great, tell me more." And so we went into the whole conversation about that and all the money they've raised for ALS and ALS research. And I feel like it was a message, or it was a sign from a power above for them to find me at the drivers' meeting, because it's very busy there. Everybody is there. It's packed. And then to have that conversation and then follow them a little bit at the beginning of the race, and then towards the end, the last couple days, we're on board with them all the time. And they keep doing better and better and better. And now they are leading their class, and they are the first UTV in our production turbos. And I think that has nothing to do with UTVs. I think that has to do with ALS. And I'm a firm believer in that. The great people that are behind the research for ALS and everything that comes with it. So I'm a firm believer this has nothing to do with UTV racing. And Baja and NORRA and NORRA's Baja together has just been the avenue that has been taken to get to this point of an opportunity to help and assist with ALS and ALS research. And so if you have an opportunity, go to Treehouse Racing, go to their Instagram, find them. Do it right now while you're listening to me. Go to Treehouse Racing Instagram. Hop on there. There's a link to hit up everything, all the information that you need for what they do. And they've raised, I believe it was over 100,000 so far racing through ALS. So you can do that yourself. You can assist them with that if that's something that's near and dear to your heart. If you've dealt with family members or close friends or what have you that have suffered with this, check it out. Treehouse Racing. Hit their Instagram. Do it right now. Do it real quick. It'll only take you a couple minutes.